It's determining our development as a country. Someone actually explained why is the development of our country revolving around it. It's a military site. No country in the world relied on military location, the foundation of its military its economic development. We've seen military sites, US military sites all over the world, and how poor those communities have to remain poor in order for those military sites to be justified. Hindi ninyo tanungin. I hope that the local government units should start this, no? Is in the United States. United States itself, these military sites, the United States, their own military, laki ang incident, CCP, radioactive, down those sites. That affects the community. And I hope that this should be responded by local government units, because you might experience to 10 years from now a rising cases of leukemia and other cancer. That is actually in a lot of military sites in other countries. Now, we have to make a choice whether to develop the city, its economy, whether we have to make it a military city, therefore the economy of that city will suffer. From our history, wherever there are US military sites, there is a rising cases of prostitution and clubs, etc. And what we want for Tugigaraw and other LGUs? Of course not. What do you prefer? International university city? Garang turning into an international university city like Delft in Netherlands, Bridge, or not Amsterdam, or Maastricht University in Europe, Utrecht, or Leiden. We want it to become like the Angeles city in the 70s and 60s. Choice is ours, and I hope the media, have make stand on this issue. Have to make a stand on the side economic development, continuous development of these local communities. Iwanan na itong mga local communities na ito napakabang panahon, So they're seeing a way to develop their economy, turning their cities into international cities, and then you're preventing it. Are you replacing it with? What exactly do you want the cities to do? Should follow the policy of the central government, which has not benefited them for a very, very long time? Then, let's actually reflect on these things deeply, This is being used for political papogi of people who do not know anything about development. That is the truth.
Wilson, can you please call Governor Mamba to respond?
Yes, may tanong.
Question of
Yes, yung tanong kanina ng taga-GMA 7, para kay Governor Mamba, what are your plans of action after this due to the accusation by Congressman Lara? Ano reaction niyo or plan daw ninyo, Governor Mamba?
Yung una po, agad-agad nag-call naman ako ng forum, getting all the HCI sa akin, getting the security people, and NGOs and the media, find out the truth sa mga allegations nila. And that is why everything was, all the data and everything, pagkatapos po, in November, minomonitor ko na rin yung mga foreigners, especially the Chinese, because yun na po, I saw the growth talaga. Maganda ito para sa aming ekonomiya. Kaya nga po, minomonitor ko rin how successful is the program itself of safety. That is why, lahat ng tatlong universidad, nandito pa, ay nag-a-apply na rin po. Ayun na nga, kasi ganda sa ekonomiya, wala na kami international airport dito. Dami namin mga foreign students. This is one of the best things that happened to us dito. That have an international seaport, we do not have an international airport, and now, ito na yung pagkakataon. And to the interest of people coming in. And I think this is because of the quality of education that we have. Now, there's a market urge. Kaya ako, we have to make a stand. And I am very, very thankful sa ating mga HEIs, the heads, made and staff of this, except the State University, to stand with them. Of course, yung pa naman, immigration, they have to their own everyone. At lahat naman po, I'm sure, everything will come. Kaya lang, ako, saan naman nila yung paninira? It's very full, Let us put this in its proper perspective para destroying our own community. Mga naman, hirap na lahat tayo dito. Ito. Now, on my last this Myla and I just host of the programs government, national government. Investigasyon, sawa na po ako dito. Sa taon na ako umiimbestigan, ako daw yung bumili ng boat dito sa Cagayan. Kung ma-prove po nila yun, kahit pa hindi ko natapusin sa resign. Din po sinasabi nila, engage sa Blackstone Mine, sabi, prove it. I will resign as governor. To unfair na siraan naman siya at try to be as good as we can. Hindi lang po naman kami top-notcher sa may Jante. Ako po ay number 1 naman sa region as performed governor, 35 naman sa Pilipinas. Something in us that we try to offer to all people. Change, reforms, Ay kwento ko lang po, kasi sometimes we have just, my brother who is also valedictorian dito sa eskwelahan na nandito kasi kami ngayon, nagbigay kami ni Mayla ng mga scholarship, So, valedictorian in 1965 here. At kita mong class na sa atin. Sabi ko pala, he is best in everything except Filipino. He got all the medals. Studied and presented. And that's why, we read the valedictorian address niya. It's 1965, 5 years ago. For corruption, of apathy, of pastors. We were the most dreaded SPTC school, which is employment. So we have lost 9 years. We have lost 2 generations, and yet we have the same problems. Ano tayo uusan? And for natin ma-realize na we are failing as a nation. We are all part of this failure. It's now time naman po. That is why we gone through the worst. Kung insurgency po namin dito, mas wala na po. Kami pong bumaba, surrender po sa amin. I have 34 rebel authorities that ako po yung sa provincial government.